Before we start creating the first animated visual, I want to briefly explain what a vector is, how to get them, and why it matters to us. A vector is a type of image made up of mathematical paths instead of pixels. This means that every part of the image is unique and can be individually colored, resized, or animated. We need our animated visuals to be vectors so that we can outline them and remove their fill color, essentially creating a colored silhouette that we can use as GIFs. But how do we get them? There are a few ways to find or create vector images. You can ask ChatGPT to convert an image into a vector or even create one from scratch, though the results are limited. You can also create and convert them in PowerPoint, but more commonly, you'll need to use a website that converts regular images into vector format. But we'll go over these options later. First, let me show you how to easily search for these file types on Google. If you head into Google, you can go to Advanced Search under Tools. Here, you can search for a specific file type. Since a vector file is a .svg, you can filter your search to only show SVG files, making it easier to find the right vector images. Although you might assume that all files found through this search are vectors, that's not always the case. Many websites display the image as a .png or .jpeg, but require you to visit their site and purchase the actual vector format. You can check this yourself by right-clicking on an image and selecting Save Image. If the file type is .svg, then it's a true vector file. If it's .png or .jpeg, then it's not a vector, and you'll need to find another source. If you head into the advanced search settings again, I want to quickly show you what else you can do. You can search for an exact word or phrase, such as .svg, to filter results specifically for vector files. Alternatively, under any of these words, you can add .svg or vector to improve your chances of finding true vector images.